Hi everybody, welcome back to Lose the Fat, Keep the Fab. Today is my Monday update. Yay! I wasn't even sure I was going to be here today, and I thought if I didn't do this right now, I wouldn't do it at all. I just got back from the gym, 3 hours today, 3.5, that includes tanning. And I'm feeling pretty good. I did an hour on the bike, which was a little over 11 miles. I did a couple of classes, a couple of short classes. Then I did some more cardio. Oh, I did the weights. Forgot about that. That was 45 minutes on the weights today. And then I did some more cardio with my workout partner. Including the ropes, which is just fabulous. We got this thing going on now. So that was great. I'm kind of mellow right now. I have a lot to do this week, and I know the videos that I want to make. I don't know when I'm going to get them done. I'm also not sure whether I'm staying at YCN for my videos or whether I'm moving back over to YouTube. I'm kind of in flux this week. I have some more writing to do, and actually may have an outside paying gig that I want to start working on. So I am blah this week. I have this humongous big long list of things that I want to get done, and I really want to focus on my gym time this week. I was only able to get to the gym 3 times last week, and that sucked for me. Not as far as the scale goes. I don't even think I've gotten on the scale now in a week, but just, you know, I want to stay motivated. I want to continue to do well and continue to go to the gym. So I really want to focus on that, and do what I set out to do originally: lose the fat and keep the fab. And that's going to kind of be a combination still between articles and videos. And again, I'm not sure whether I'm coming back to YouTube with all my videos or whether I'm going to stay at YCN or not. I don't know this week. Gary's got a bad back, and so that kind of throws my whole schedule off. I've got appointments on Thursday. I'm you know, this is life taking over, and I'm trying to make it all work. So again, I know what I want to shoot this week. I know what I want to say, and I'm hoping to be able to get those shot and brought to you by week's end. So if you don't see me on Friday here at YouTube, it's because I don't have anything to update. But I will be weighing in no matter what over at YCN. Well, I'll be making a video. Again, I don't know whether I'm going to put it back on YouTube or whether I'm going to be at YCN. How many times have I said that in this video? And the dog's barking. He's sick too. Just, you know, things going crazy. But I am going to weigh in for sure on Monday. Again, it's not that I haven't wanted to weigh in. I've lost more than 10 pounds now. I have no idea how much I've actually lost because, again, I haven't been on the scale. But I just haven't been able to connect with Gary and to get him to weigh me in. So I told him no matter what, next Monday I want to weigh in because it'll have been a month. So I want to see what a month has done with going to the gym and trying to stay focused on my portions and drinking lots of water. I've already drank 60 ounces of water today, so I'm about 1/3 of the way to my goal of how much water I want to drink today. And that's pretty much it for this update. I'm really focused now on the getting healthy and the weight loss. So again, that's it for today, but you'll see me when you see me. So I hope you have a great week, and stay tuned. I have plenty more in store for you. I will see you soon.